guys, in today's video we're going to be using phrases or sentences that has to do round in things that concerns the church. So in the Igbo language, church is called Oka. Church is called Oka. If you want to say I am going to church in Igbo, you say Anam aga Oka. That is I, pronoun I. Anam aga Oka. If you're back from church, you say Abatagom Oka. I am back from church. Abatagom Oka. I am back from church. Abatagom Oka. If you're in a group or if you're many that is going to church, you say, we are going to church. Anyị naga oka. Anyị is the pronoun we. Anyị naga oka. We are going to church. And when you guys are back from church, Anyị abatago oka. We are back from church. Anyị abatago oka. If they are going to church, possibly you're not going to church, they are going to church. Possibly you're not going to church, they are going to church. You say, ha naga oka. Ha, the they, they're the pronoun there. Ha naga oka. They are going to church. Ha naga oka. And if they are back, you say ha batagoka. Ha batagoka. They are back from church. Ha batago oka. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe. Click the link in my bio and follow me on my YouTube. Okay? I'll talk to you sooner than later. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.